2020 was one of the most unpredictable and abnormal years in the history of our century. For the first time, the whole world went on a lockdown. And while everywhere people were forced to stay at home, here in a safe Taiwan, everyone started to travel. 2020 was the year to discover the country. That was a life-changing time for us too. Out of a plan, we started to make travel videos. And that was one of the best decisions in our lives. Why? Just look how diverse, beautiful, and charming Taiwan is. Let us share with you some of the best places of Formosa.
The touch of yours is what I've been looking for. When you say my name, I just wanna feel you more. I try to reach out, but it's too complicated, and I can't know how you feel. Damn,
I don't do this often, you caught me off guard.